Hi, today we're going to talk about photography order form. So this is a simple form which can be used to fill in that to design any photography order requests. So basically if you see this form, we have got certain input fields which the candidate needs to fill in order to start booking an appointment or for photography orders. So once all the input fields are filled in, you can see that under the responses view, we are able to capture the entire response coming up over here. So let us test it out how exactly it works. So I just go to the form builder, I'll click on share form and I'll click on copy form link. This will copy the link of the entire form and we need to expose this form to the particular person who is going to book out for the photography orders. So let us wait as the form is loading up. We will just fill in some of the details over here randomly. And then what we're going to do is we're going to test out how exactly this works. So I'm going to put everything intact as it is asking randomly, and then we will test out everything. So I've filled in everything. I'll click on submit. As I do that, you can see the response has now been submitted. And if I go back to the order form under the responses view, you can see that I've captured the response over here, which I needed to capture. So it is as simple as this. Just fill out all the details in this form and click on submit, and the response goes to the responses view. Obviously, all the fields can be customized and editable as per your needs. It's just a sample template file for a use case. If you scroll down, I've added a tool that is PDF output. This is a handy tool which can help you generate documents in bulk, PDF documents. For this, you require a Notion page and a Notion database. A Notion page is where you define the entire PDF document. You can edit and customize it as per your needs. A database is where all the contents or the source information is stored, which can be replaced on the Notion page to generate documents. So I've added a video of how you can exactly follow this process for invoices. You can definitely watch this video to understand more about the workflow, but you can definitely check out PDF output for this. If you're in need of any help or assistance, please reach out to me at notionformyuse@gmail.com. This is where I will be able to help you or assist you with any of the queries. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.